Welcome to Learn Bangladesh YouTube channel. Friends, today we will know the total number of districts in Borishal division and what are the districts. If you are new to our channel, stay with us by subscribe to our channel to get videos about different information about Bangladesh. There are total 6 districts in Borishal division. The districts are Borishal, Patuakhali, Bhola, Barguna, Jhalokati, and last Pirozpur. Friends, we'll let you know in the comments which district you live in. Like and share the video. Thank you so much.